Hello kids, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to learn the 2D shapes. Pentagon, right triangle, star, triangle, heart and semicircle. First we are going to know the color's name. Yellow color, orange color, blue color, green color, red color and purple color, and this is black color. Now we are going to draw the shapes. Pentagon, right triangle, star, triangle, heart, semicircle, now we put the color. Green color, pentagon, purple color, right triangle, yellow color, star, blue color, triangle, red color, heart, orange color, semicircle, what we learned? We learned pentagon, green color, right triangle, purple color, star, yellow color, triangle, blue color, heart, red color, semicircle, orange color. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.